Hello, today I will show you how to install Windows 10. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. First, you need an USB bootable with Windows 10. After you get it, you enter from Boot Manager into the USB and after you will enter in the setup. So now we are in the setup. We click next and install now. Now the setup is starting. We click I don't have a product key and here you select which operating system version of Windows 10 you like. For example, me, I like Windows 10 Pro. We click next. We click I accept the license terms. Next. Custom. Next. Apply. OK. And after we click on the next button. Now the installation is starting. So you need to wait a little bit time. I think 50 minutes. 50 minutes. You need to wait. So I will pause the video and resume when the installation is at 100%. So now this part of the installation is finished. Now the setup will request to us to restart the computer. So wait a second. After we're installing updates, will appear this message. So wait. Now the setup will restart. So now we are in the second part of the setup. So now the setup is saying getting ready. So now the PC is restarting. So now we are in the last part of the installation. So we click yes. Here you can select all the languages you like. It takes just a moment. Here also at the keyboard you select all the options you want. I select US and yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout. If you like, you can click on layout, but me, I don't need any other second keyboard layout, so I click skip. So I will pause again the video, and when this part is finished, I will resume it. So now we are at the next part, the account part. For example, me, I set up for personal use. Next. Also here it takes just a moment. I click, for example, offline account. You can put your Microsoft account here, but I like an offline account. I put limited experience. And I put a name, for example, Windows 10. And a password, I don't put any password, so I click next. I click not now. For example, from my opinion, I disable all these things. I click no, 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 and no. I click accept. I recommend it to you to click on skip here. I click not now. Here is the last part of the installation. So Now the Windows is installed. If you like this video and subscribe, I will create another video of how to install Windows 11. So, bye bye for now.